Guys, it's Power Mike here. This is my leftover fireworks stash from New Year's Eve. I have a ton of stuff. Here. I have 12 single shots by Texas Outlaw called Outlaw 12s. I got a bunch of these jumping jacks by Superior Fireworks. I got this RDS rocket defense system. I have 19 left. These are very nice. They're like a canister shell when they pop. Still have a bunch of rocket crackers. Some 4-inch carnage shells. Maybe about 12, maybe a dozen of those. And that's what the carnage label looks like. I don't know if I ever showed you my posters. That's a Mob Madness poster. And I got the box of all bombs. That's from a brick of rocket crackers and a brick of black cats. So, oh, and by the way, got some news to tell y'all. The 5th of July, we're seasonal down here, so we get to open an extra day. This 4th of July is the 250th anniversary of Independence Day. Alright, man. The reason why I haven't been posting lately is I've been working on stock stands. So, if you live in the Alvin area, like I said, hit any of the Big Daddy stands. See you next season. Peace.